Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online trading to uncover the reality behind a name that's been making waves, USI Tech. I'm Jordan, and on this channel, we're dedicated to keeping you informed and protected from scams. If you've ever considered USI Tech for your trading ventures, buckle up because we're about to reveal what really lies beneath the surface. Imagine this. A promising platform offering lucrative returns with minimal effort. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's the allure of USI Tech, but as we'll discover, things aren't always as they seem. Join us as we unravel the tangled web of misinformation and expose the truth behind USI Tech's mask. It's time to see beyond the illusion and confront the reality. USI Tech may present itself as a reputable platform for online trading and investment, but our investigation reveals a different story. Traders have reported a myriad of issues, from difficulties with withdrawals to suspicious trading practices and inadequate customer support. Furthermore, USI Tech operates without the necessary regulatory oversight, leaving traders vulnerable to potential scams and financial losses. But that's not all. Our research has uncovered evidence of deceptive marketing tactics and false promises, enticing unsuspecting traders into a perilous trap. We will show more details in further sections. Read our USI Tech Scam Broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Together, we can protect the trading community from falling prey to brokers like USI Tech. But it starts with awareness and education. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to scams like USI Tech? First and foremost, always conduct thorough research before investing with any broker. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams like USI Tech. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds. Stay vigilant, and together we can beat the scammers. Thanks for watching.